Thank you to all of you who have traveled from all over the country to take part in this special day. It's with much joy and great excitement that we prepare to celebrate the coming together of Aaron and Nicole as one before God. We're honored to be gathered here to rejoice and to celebrate the love, bond, and commitment that you two share. It's been amazing to watch you two grow together over the last few years, and we're excited to see your commitment to one another become official today. Aaron, Nicole, you're God's gift to one another, and you complement each other so well. If I were being honest, when Nicole first called me to tell me that she had met some guy in Utah and was falling in love, I was skeptical. I've known Nicole for several years, and I'd seen her cry one too many times over guys. So I needed to meet this guy before he got my seal of approval. So they came into town, and I did what any good brother or honorary brother would do. I interrogated him. What do you do? Where are you from? Are you a liberal? And then, once he had passed those questions shockingly well, I asked him if he was prepared to take on Nicole. I gave him the briefing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. She's awesome and driven. She doesn't do great just sitting around to be lazy. She's a girl, so expect tears, lots and lots of tears. She's a grandma, so around 8:30 she's gonna be ready for bed. And now for the ugly Aaron. The girl can't drive. Honestly, if you value your life, you'll need to do all of the driving. Aaron already knew all of those things, the good, the bad, and the ugly, and it didn't faze him. He accepted Nicole just as she was, and even promised to drive her around. If you've gotten to spend much time with these two, then you can attest to the fact that they are about as perfect of a match as you can find.
Oh my God, beautiful.
Aaron and Nicole, shortly your union will become formalized through the exchange of rings and your vows. But marriage is about much more than any part of the ceremony today. Marriage, at its core, is a sacred promise, a vow to your spouse and to God that says no matter what comes our way, we're in this together. From this day forward, through joy and sorrow, through trial and triumph, your union will endure and grow to become stronger, thanks to God and the bond that you two share. Remember to nourish that bond, to cherish that bond, to guard and protect that bond. Learn to work together, to laugh together, and to love together. Don't get caught up in the worldly things that will draw you apart, and instead focus on your shared devotion and turn inward. Your marriage, if treated rightly, will serve as a refuge and a place of safety through life's storms. When the going gets tough, remember what Ecclesiastes said, "A cord of 3 strands is not easily broken." So seek the Lord, pray together, and encourage one another daily.
I, Aaron, commit the whole of my heart and soul to you.
I, Nicole, commit the whole of my heart and soul to you.
I promise to cherish you for the rest of my days.
I give you all that I am and accept all that you are.
Well, friends, by the power vested in me by the state of Alabama, I now pronounce you, Aaron and Nicole, husband and wife. Aaron, you may kiss your bride. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Aaron Vakapaz.
Summer is burning, burning up the highway. Your hair is golden, golden in the heat wave. We'll keep it steady, steady on this night drive. We're getting ready, ready for the high tide. Let's go take a dive in your ocean eyes. You are the sunshine. I'm not gonna let you go.